Good morning, children, to everyone. Once again, welcome back for English literature class. See, we are studying these days chapter 6. The title of the chapter is Hedi. As I told you yesterday, it is a name of a girl who is living with her own grandfather in Switzerland. It is on page number 73. So let us take today the first paragraph. Tell me all their names, Hedi said. See, tell me all their names. Their name means here the name of the goats or the goat's name. So she is asking their name because they are going for grazing now, or they are taking them for grazing. They are taking them out of the house in the field side. So she is very much eager to know the names of those goats. So tell me all their names, Hedi said to Peter. So here that boy is there, his name is Peter. His name is Peter, he is a shepherd boy, I told you, he is a shepherd boy. Shepherd boy who looks after the sheep of this particular grandfather. So she is trying to know the names of those goats. Next para. Peter knew these by heart. Peter knew these by heart. So Peter knew all the names of these goats or those goats because he was going and he was taking them every day in the field side for grazing. So he was knowing their names. Peter knew their names by heart. So Peter knew these by heart. So Peter knew their name very well by heart. Means he remembered. He did not forget. By heart here you see, with by heart, remembering. Knowing their name, okay, by heart. So sometimes we tell you, or I also tell you, learn the poem by heart. So remember it, memorize it, memorize them, or memorize it. See, remember their names. Next line. So he began telling Hedi the names of each goat in turn as he pointed it out to her. So now this particular boy called Peter is telling the name of his goats or grandfather's goats. So Hedi started telling their names, and this particular girl is with him. She is carefully listening their names. So you see next line. It was not long before she could herself distinguish the goats from one another and could call each by name. So she knew their names. She could distinguish. She could make differences. Know the difference between. So distinguish. Distinguish. See here meaning is know the differences between. So know the differences between those goats. So she could distinguish each goat, and then she learned their names. So it did not take much time for this particular girl to learn the name of those goats. Okay, my dear children, so now she is very eager to go with this particular boy and she is learning their names. I will continue my teaching. Thank you very much to everyone.